Friends, my name is Dr. P. Ranjan Trivedi. Today I would like to tell you about the book written by me in the year 2014 on the life and contribution of the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Bhai Modi. The story goes like this. After casting my vote in the first week of May 2014, I went to Malaysia to inaugurate an international conference on medical tourism. And then I was waiting for the results. So my staff in Delhi called me that from tomorrow the voting will start. So I rushed to Delhi where I knew that the BJP will come to power. So after coming here, I decided that I would like to present a book to the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi, once he takes oath. Then I went to Gujarat. We have roots in Gujarat. We went to many places, collected the information. Finally, we could locate about 32 good qualities of Narendra Bhai Modi, and I incorporated all those qualities besides his childhood days, hundreds of photographs, as also comments by many important personalities. Besides the coverage in the press, all those things were collected, and I started writing the book from 16th of May, and then on 23rd it came out, it was published. I went to Gujarat Bhavan to present the book to Modi ji, but he was busy with other parliamentarians. So finally, when I got a VIP invitation from the President House, from the office of Honorable Sri Pranab Mukherjee, the then President of India, I went with 50 copies of this book, and I was almost the first person to have reached Rashtrapati Bhavan. The entire ground was with nobody, because it was scorching rays of the sun. But then on 26th May, the oath took place at about 4:30, and after the oath was over, I presented the book to almost all the union ministers who took oath, and then I was told that this book will be released by Mr. Kiran Rijiju. I approached him. He was then the MOS for Minister of State for Home Affairs. Then he took me to Leh Ladakh because there was a Buddhist conference. I also participated there, and this book was released there. After this, 6 times the new editions have been made, and from time to time it has been released by many personalities. The second edition was released by Mr. Ram Naik, the Honorable Governor of Uttar Pradesh. Third edition was released by Honorable Dr. Mridula Sinha, the then Governor of Goa. Then the fourth edition was released by Professor Om Prakash Kohli, the then Governor of Gujarat. Likewise, we also got it recently released by Dr. Jitendra Singh, who is the MOS in the PM office, besides the Minister in charge for Northeastern states, that is donor, development of Northeastern region. This way, it is our contribution, and in this book we have also mentioned the new ideas which is to be adopted by the BJP government led by Honorable Sri Narendra Modi. I am sure this book will merit the consideration of the Government of India and different state governments in designing and modifying their policies for optimization of the available resources of our country. Thank you very much.